हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, जय जगन्नाथ। ये 7 क्लास रो इंग्लिश यूनिट 1 लर्निंग टुगेदर फास्ट पोएम द डे द रिवर स्पोक संपूर्ण नुआ विषय। समस्ते या सहित नुआ नुआ परिचित भल भाव यार क्वेश्चन आंसर को देख जो मैंने बहीटा को पढ़ीन भल भाव पढ़ीदेव। मोर देह टी असुस्थ थी मु संपूर्ण भाव बहीटा को पढ़े कि तुम बुझी पारनी, किंतु क्वेश्चन आंसर कर दूची परवर्ती समय मु बही को भल भाव बुझेदेवी। तो चलो आगे क्वेश्चन आंसर जानवा कहीं प्रैक्टिस करी भलसे शिखियो। पूरा सीबीएसई पैटर्न बुक टॉप लेवल रही, बुझापी भी कष्ट रे किंतु जानिया शुणिया पाठ। तो चलो प्रथम क्वेश्चन रही, व्हाट वाज जानवी's ड्रीम, वाज इट इम्पोर्टेंट टू हर, व्हाई? Janvi's dream was to go to school and learn to read and write. It was important to her because she wanted to understand things like why spiders are yellow, why bamboos rustles, and other questions. Learning would make her happy and help her feel equal to her sibling. Second question is, do you think the river can help her in fulfilling her dream? How? Yes, the river helps Jahnavi by encouraging her to be brave and go to school. It tells her to try sitting in class and listening, which gives her the courage to take the first step toward the dream. Next question रही एक नंबर column 1, column 2. Why the moon always comes from behind the hill? यार आंसर कर इट गोज डाउन टुवर्ड्स द sea. I have seen it always takes the same path over the mountain and down the sea like me. Can I do something little girls can do as much as little boys? What are ships? Ships कौन जहाज कौन ना big boats so big that they can take hundreds of people and they sail along the sea with lights that shine all night. Will they come here? No, they will not. They are too big. Chandus Katamaran is fine for me. He can take you to see a ship someday. ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ପେସେଜ ଦେଇଛି, ତାପରେ ସର୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଅଛି ତା ତଳକୁ ତଳ, ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକ କରିବାର ଅଛି। You should not cry, you know, the voice went on, and you really should not be scared when you have been coming here to see me every day. Well, almost every day. She was puzzled. It was such a voice, like the river. It could not be the river. Will tell me all about it, said the river, for it was the river. I have got to hurry to reach the sea, you know. I question अच्छी, complete the sentence with the correct option from those given in the bracket. The tone of the river in the given exchange. এটা কোন ଅଛି, यार उत्तरটা কোন হবো না answering হবো। Then second কোন ଅଛି, select a phrase from the uh, extract which shows that Jahnavi was a frequent visitor to the spot. The phrase showing Jahnavi was a frequent visitor is when you have been coming here to see me every day. Well, almost every day. तो देखिए तो टोटाली ये जगह रही। Question 3, choose the correct option to complete the sentence. The use of an exclamation mark at the end of the line, it could not be the river express. देखिए कौन ना excitement hesitation, irritation and disbelief. तो यार आंसर कौन हम ना ऑप्शन डी अच्छी disbelief. Choose three qualities of the river highlighted in the extract from the word in the box given below. Uh, affectionate, forgiving, thoughtful, important, kind hearted. ए देइछि ताले एटे तीनटा हमको सिलेक्ट करिवार अछि ताले एफेक्शनेट आउ थॉटफुल काइंड हार्टेड देइछि 2 नंबर ये भी मध्य देइछि गोटे पैसेज कैन आई डू समथिंग एक्ट जानवी वेल इट as up to said river seems to me little girl can do as some much as little boys they swim as fast as little boys you just sleep along one morning and sit there in the school and listen to what's going on and maybe the teacher will let you stay I could not gave Janvi I could not they had scared me they had chased me out यार आंसर करवा complete the sentence with an appropriate reason according to the river there was no difference between girls and boys because they can do the something like answer টা এটা আছে like swim as fast identify whether the following statement is true or false. The river encouraged Jahnavi to have faith in herself and fulfill her desire to go to school. এটা true হবো then a reason কোন ଅଛି it tells her to try school and trust herself. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence. When the river suggest that Janvi should sleep alone, it means that she should move. ये होची ऑप्शन अच्छी ए देइछि क्विकली कजली क्विकली कॉन्फिडेंटली ताले क्विकली हो kada the reputation of the phrase I could not tell us scared and scared unsure that answer the following question why does the writer describe different aspects of nature in great details at the beginning of the story why do you think the writer does this तो यार आंसरटा समस्त स्क्रीनशॉट मानी बट क्या लिखते बोल नहीं पढ़ी पारनी हाउ डिड रिवर नोज सो मच अबाउट जानवी यार स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं नियो तो तंटी बसी जाइए तो देह टे भल ना ऑपरेशन होती से वॉइस टे क्लीयर आसुनी मुंड बुलाऊँ पढ़ी पारुनी नंबर 3 क्वेश्चन भी स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं नियो परवर्ती समय भल वीडियो करी पूरा आराम से बुझेदेवी टे तापर ये हूँ 4 नंबर 5 नंबर स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं नियो 6 नंबर स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं नियो 7 नंबर स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं नियो यार पार्ट 2 गोटे आनिबा